Svelte is an easy to use modern JavaScript framework for building web applications, and you also have Sveltekit built on top of Svelte that allows you to easily build full stack applications. But none of these tools comes with inbuilt features for managing the images and videos on your application. So how can you effectively manage and also optimize the media files in your applications? Cloudinary is an image and video management platform with a lot of features for optimizing and modifying your media files. And all these features can be used in the Svelte Cloudinary SDK, which comes with a couple of drop-in components to make things super easy for you. These components allow you to instantly optimize your images, videos, and enable your users to upload media files on the client side of your application. Cloudinary also provides a Node.js SDK, which you can use on the server side of your Svelte application. And this is useful in cases like user forms where you want to handle how images are uploaded to Cloudinary. But in this video, we'll be looking at how to set up and use the Svelte SDK. So you have an existing Svelte application. The first thing you do is install the Svelte Cloudinary SDK. And as soon as that is installed, you set your environment variable for Cloudinary, which is void public Cloudinary cloud name. And you can find that on your Cloudinary dashboard here, cloud name. And that is all you need to use the components from the Svelte SDK. There are a couple of components you can use, but let us look at the CldImage. Import CldImage from Svelte Cloudinary, and back in your app, instead of using the image tag, you can use the CldImage component, and for the source you pass a public ID. For example, this image we have on Cloudinary, the public ID is demo/red sneaker. We also need to define the weight and height prop to avoid layout shift, and here we have the image. And to show you that this image is optimized, if I open the network tab and I do a hard refresh, you can see that the image is coming in the WebP format and it is coming at 48.7 KB. If we come to the original image, you can see it has 3.63 MB. And here I have my Edge browser. But if I open this same page on my Chrome browser and I come to the network tab, you can see the image is coming in the AVIF format. So by using the SDK, not only do you get optimized versions of your media, but you also get the best format that your device or your user's device support. And now we can render more products here, all of them using the public ID. You can see all of the images here. And in this CldImage component, you can leverage different features from Cloudinary. An example is remove background. You can see that all of these images now comes without the background. Now note that for this to work, you need to have the background remover add-on set up. And other features you can use are overlays. You can see now that you have a text watermark in front of all of the images here. You can use any text you want, and all of this is coming from Cloudinary. And you can also check out the component configuration page to see the different acceptable props and values. So we've seen how to display the files we already have on Cloudinary in our application. Next up, let's see how to use the Svelte SDK to upload files in our application.